To be able to update your data with Bittle, it is important that your data source has the exact same structure as the one you use to create your connector. Same number of columns, same data format in each column. Nonetheless, a data source can evolve. You can modify the structure of your source file and modify your connector in Bittle so it can acknowledge the changes. For example, adding a new column, deleting one, or renaming one. To do so, you'll need to update manually your connector with your modified source file. Please check the corresponding video. Bittle will notice the changes and will guide you through the modification of your connector. If one of the original fields is not detected in a new file, Bittle will think it has been deleted. You have then several options. Not modifying the connector and the data import will be aborted. Deleting the missing field from your connector. In that case, the connector structure will be modified and all the data of the field will be deleted. Be careful. If you have matrix, hierarchy, or other links to this field, it can cause malfunctioning. Not deleting the field from the connector, which will remain the same. You can choose a default value for the missing field during the import. Renaming of the field and choose a new name of the field among the new field detected by Bittle. If a field wasn't in the initial connector, but is in the new source file, Bittle considers it as a new field. You can then, not modifying the connector and the data import will be aborted. Add this field to your connector, which will modify the structure of the connector and will allow you to set this field as a metric or as a filter. Ignoring this field, the connector structure will remain the same. Click on Next between each step until you end up on a summary of the changes that will be applied to your connector. Finally, click on Save, then you can choose either to import your data or not.